Assalamualaikum, my team, BSMS to perfect number. So after successfully run both front end and back end, my project will run, and the front end view of this project like this. Here is a opening view of project, and there is a login button. User can log in the project by their credential. Basically, three types of user are here. One is STS user and landfill user and also admin user. So first of all, we are logging as an admin user, and now we give the credential for admin user. Let's say admin email and password, and after giving the credential, we successfully log into the main project. Here is a different kinds of admin functionality. Admin has a varieties of functionality, like admin can add user, create user, update user, and similarly admin can have access to create contactor manager and third party manager, vehicles, STS, landfill, rules, permission, and so on. So now one by one we see the admin functionality. First of all, we go to the user section. Here is a button for add a new user and a field where admin can search new user by different kinds of activity like name, type, phone number, email, and so on. And here is a view where list of users are shown, and a button, more button. Then admin, if user go to the more button, then he see this user profile and update user button and delete user button. Similarly, if I go to the contactor manager page, then this kinds of view will be see. Here is add contactor manager and a contactor manager profile. If I go to the more button, then I see the different kinds of activity like delete contactor manager, update contactor manager, and create a collection plan. Collection plan is a new feature in this project, and here is the workforce list for the collection plan. And if I go to the next section, the third party contactor manager, then there is a list of third party contactor manager and a button for add contactor. And if I go to the form, then this form is look like this. There is different kinds of fields. If user fill the form and then submit the form, it will be save our database and it will be show there. So now I go to the more section for third party contactor, and then it look like this. Delete contactor and update third party contactor and add new contactor, and also the workforce list of this contactor. And similarly has access to add, delete, update of vehicles, and also field for search admin by different fields like capacity, cost loaded, registration number, and so on. And here is a STS where admin can create new STS by filling the form, and also have activity. Admin can filter the form by capacity, coordinate system, and STS name, word number, and so on. In this project, we are connected Google API for robust performance, where Google API give the performance to find the shortest path. And this is the Google API. If I go to the more section here, we see the similar button updates STS and delete STS, and similarly landfill. And if I go to the landfill more, here we are creating transaction for landfill manager, and here is also a Google API and add landfill button. And similarly admin have the permission of role and so many activities. And now we log out and log in as a landfill manager. So successfully log out, then we again give the email of landfill manager and give the password, and that is. And if I clicking the login button, maybe I give wrong password, then again, and this time we log in successfully to the profile. And maybe net issue, that's why we cannot log in here, but it's okay in our project. And thank you, that's my project. Thank you, sir.